What if one simple powder in your kitchen could purify the air, repel insects, clean your home, and even soothe your stomach safely, naturally, effectively? That powder exists. It's baking soda. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile, non-toxic compound with a wide range of household and personal uses. Research shows it neutralizes acids, absorbs odors, gently cleans surfaces, and even disrupts the biology of certain pests. It's practical, proven, and worth keeping on hand. Research-backed and safe for everyday home use. For air purification, studies including NASA's Clean Air Research show baking soda can help neutralize volatile organic compounds in indoor spaces. Place 1 to 2 open bowls with 3 to 5 tablespoons in each room. After using chemical cleaners or bleach, leave the bowls out for 12 to 24 hours to absorb lingering fumes. Stir or refresh the powder every few days and replace it every 2 to 4 weeks for the best results. Baking soda is also a natural household cleaner, gentle yet effective. Its mild abrasiveness safely scrubs sinks, counters, tiles, even silverware. To clean, make a paste, 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Apply, scrub gently, then rinse thoroughly. For drains, pour half a cup of baking soda, then half a cup of vinegar. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then flush with hot water. Do this once every 1 to 2 weeks to maintain clear drains. For laundry, add half a cup to your detergent for a standard wash. It neutralizes odors, balances pH, and boosts cleaning. Hello, fresher clothes. For carpets or mattresses, sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons, wait 15 to 30 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. For trash bins or shoes, place 1 to 2 tablespoons in a small open container and refresh weekly. Baking soda can even deter insects and ants, yes, really. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar or honey to create a bait. Place small amounts along ant trails or in cockroach areas. The sugar attracts them. The baking soda disrupts their internal chemistry, reducing colonies over time. Replace the bait every 3 to 4 days until the insects are gone. For personal health, baking soda can act as a mild antacid. Dissolve half a teaspoon in half a glass of water and sip slowly for occasional heartburn relief. Avoid frequent use if you have kidney, heart, or high sodium concerns. Never exceed 3.5 teaspoons in 24 hours. From purifying air and neutralizing chemical fumes to cleaning your home safely, repelling insects naturally, and offering occasional digestive relief, baking soda is scientifically supported and wonderfully multifunctional. It's affordable, safe, and practical. Truly indispensable in any household. One small ingredient can improve your home, protect your health, and reduce reliance on chemical cleaners and pesticides. Baking soda proves that evidence-based solutions can make a big difference. If this helped, share it with friends and family seeking a cleaner, safer, healthier home. Follow Healthy Eats and Wisdom on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for more science-backed practical tips.